Hey guys, so I want to give you a really quick tip on how to make your Halloween party look awesome. So I'm going to be showing you guys in the next video. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to dress up these Halloween bubblegum tongue painter intense flavor lollipop, because these are perfect for Halloween. They're actually intended for Halloween. The outside of the lollipop is black, the inside has like black cherry, and this one has black grape. And I thought it would be a really cool idea to kind of have display in a little table if you're having like a Halloween gathering or a Halloween party. So this is just a tip. This is not going to be part of the Halloween series. What I'm going to show you next will be. But this is part of what we're going to do on our next video. So what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree. I bought these lollipops, and by the Halloween section, they have obviously different lollipops displayed. They have different candy displayed. So while I was walking by the aisle, I picked up this little bag. I also noticed that there was like one lollipop, not this specific lollipop, another lollipop that they sell individually at the Dollar Tree. It kind of had like a pumpkin shape, and it had only one specific lollipop left. I guess people had already purchased the rest of the other lollipops that they had displayed. There was only one lollipop left in this little box, standing like that by itself. And I'm looking at the box and I'm saying to myself, wouldn't it be a really good idea to use this box as display to hang or display any other candies that you're going to be either giving out or displaying at your Halloween party? So little bell rang in my brain. And what I did was I took the little box with me. I put the lollipop back down because I wasn't going to purchase that lollipop. But I took the little box with me. I purchased the lollipops that I did want to get. I asked the lady if I can take this with me. It was, it was on a display where you put lollipops in here and it's empty. And she was like, okay, fine, you can take it. So it was cool with them. They allow you to take things like that. You can ask them if you feel weird taking stuff like this. You can always ask them. Then they always, I mean, every time I ask them, they always say yes. So the Dollar Tree is very good with that. I took it home with me, and then I started thinking to myself, this will be perfect to display my ghost lollipops that I'm going to do for my little gathering for Halloween. So I wanted to bring it to your attention in case you're the Dollar Tree, in case you're the Dollar General, in case you're anywhere that has Halloween candies, even like the supermarkets, like where I go, Stop and Shop has a lot of Halloween candies. ShopRite has a lot of Halloween candies. Always keep your eye on something like this that you can always repurpose. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you really quickly what I'm going to do with this, because I wanted to show you so that we can go on to the next part, which is the next video. I bought these these creepy cloths at the Dollar Tree, and what I did was I cut a tiny little piece off, and I'm just going to basically hot glue this little creepy cloth onto my little box, because I'm going to display my lollipops that I want to show you guys how to create on our next video on this little box. So what I did was I basically just cut out a little strip. I didn't cut it out in any specific way. I went crazy and just cut it out. And I'm just layering the little cloth on top of my box, right? And I'm just sporadically adding hot glue to different areas of the box, very sporadically. I'm not going to add hot glue to the top of the box because that's where the lollipops are going to be standing, but I'm going to add hot glue to the edge of the box, which is what I'm doing right now. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue as I go around. And as you can see here, I'm not doing anything in a nice fancy way. I'm just hot gluing it as it goes. I mean, basically it's a Halloween project. Anything goes when it comes to Halloween. So don't go crazy making this as perfect as you want it. You want it to look a little bit wonky and funky looking, right? It's Halloween. Halloween stuff are funky looking. Okay. Just be careful with the hot glue because this fabric is very light. So the glue goes through it really, really fast. Okay. So, and if you feel like you need to cut little pieces off, like this particular one right here, you can just chomp it off with the scissors, right? Just like that, and just add more hot glue if you want to secure it. See? Let's do this side. I didn't want to add this video as part of the Halloween series because I think it's just a really simple idea that I wanted to bring it to your attention, and I didn't want to be cheap with you guys adding this as part of the series. But because we're going to do something that is going to be related to this on the next video, it makes sense for me to mention this to you guys. So you see how simple that was, right? All I did was I just added a little bit of hot glue around the edges of this box. I didn't touch the top because the top is where I want to put the lollipops. And as you can see here, when you're ready to put the lollipops, look at that. You can put the lollipops in there just like this. You see that? And it's just awesome. It's just an awesome, awesome idea. I love this idea. I'm so excited about it. I cannot wait to display it on my little Halloween section that I'm going to make. Look at that. Look how awesome that looks, guys. See that? And you work so hard. We are going to work extremely hard on making these lollipops look awesome for Halloween. You obviously want to make sure you display them, right? I need one more right here. Yay! And look how awesome that looks. I'm super excited. Look at that. That is such an awesome idea, guys. Do you like it? I think it's really, really fun. Even like this, you don't have to even do anything to these lollipops because they're obviously Halloween related and the color and the theme is perfect. So even if you want to display this in a corner of your little like room or like a gathering that you're having for Halloween, even if you just want to display it just like that, it will be perfect. You can maybe put like a little happy Halloween sign over here. You can even add like little critters if you want over here, a worm, spider, cockroaches, I don't know, whatever you want to add. But it's just the idea behind it, I think is perfect. So I love this. I really, really, really love this. The next video that I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to dress up my lollipops. I might just dress up a few of these and keep the rest like the way it is because I really, really love how it looks just like the way it is right now. But I do want to kind of like dress up some of them, so we'll do that on the next video. But I just wanted to bring this to your attention, so in case that you guys are somewhere where they sell these lollipops or display some Halloween lollipops, make sure that you grab this display if it's available for you to grab. Okay, honeys? All right, I'll see you soon in my next video. Okay.